this is what it's like whenever your cousins have 12 puppies. Because the girl dog found a random other dog in the woods, and yeah. Puppies! They're everywhere. Hello. You like my feet? Oh, this one's my favorite. I've been cuddling with her for hours. Look at all of them. You are cute. Everyone here is cute. Oh, you're the brother of my favorite. Right there. And oh, I'm sorry. I think I stepped on one. Here are the sleeping ones. Sleeping, playing, definitely sleeping. Sleeping. I love how they sleep. They like cuddle up in her balls. No one's in there. They're the chickens. I like the chickens too. They go bah! That's the sound they make when I'm around. They don't like me. What are you doing? Like, bah! I'm pretty sure I saw that one Dookie. You're back! Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Can I hold you? Can I hold you? I would love to hold you. Oh, I got her. I'm holding her. See? Look at this. Look at the camera. Look at her. You're so cute. There you go. There you go. I love you. Yeah. So as I said in the beginning of this making of the video, that's what it's like when your cousins have 12 puppies that they're selling, unfortunately. My dad won't let me keep one of them. So yeah, peace.